From its inception in the late 1940s, Clamason is a privately owned company that has grown into Europe's leading manufacturer of precision pressings. With diverse market expertise, together with a single-status committed workforce and exacting quality standards, Clamason has a proven pedigree and is well positioned for further success and growth in the future.
I'm Anthony Ridding. I'm the Manufacturing Director at Clamason. We manufacture subcontract precision pressings for mainly the automotive industry, electronic industry, household appliances, IT, and growingly we're going into the medical industry. We are investors in people and TS 1649 accredited company. We chose to use the Exel product EFAX about 2 years ago, and after a 4 months induction period we went live about 15 months ago. Here we have one of our warehouses. As you can see, we've got raw material over there and we've got finished goods here. We also have another warehouse in another unit. One of the big advantages we found with EFAX is that we're allowed to have multiple warehousing facilities, so we can dispatch and receive from various points throughout the company. We're now 15 months since we started implementing EFAX. The first 6 months was the same people doing the same things but in a slightly different way, just getting used to the handling of EFAX. We soon realised that there were some features in EFAX that we could use that would lead to getting our people to do things in a slightly different way that would make us more efficient. This meant we could then reorganise the company and alter the structure. This we did, and now we've got less people doing more jobs, more functionality. We actually believe that within the next 2 years, by using the advantages that EFAX will offer, we'll have an even better structure and a much more efficient company. Hopefully the turnover will grow using the same number of people. The account managers do everything from ordering material, dispatching goods, creating works orders. The whole works goes on here. EFAX is totally utilised in this office. The two big advantages we found with EFAX already is one, having the integrated accounts. That has been a huge saving for us. And then from a manufacturing point of view, being able to extract data out of the database. We can do lots of things with the data which we couldn't do with a DOS-based system. We're hoping in the future that by using document management and workflow, we can actually make the company much more efficient than it currently is and get us this competitive advantage over our competitors.